Hello everyone, this is Money Collector. Today we are reviewing our new coin pick, but please subscribe to this channel first. And our coin pick today came from the UAE, or the United States, the United Arab Emirates. This is the fils and the dirhams. This is the most expensive coins around the world by value in the international market. The fils, these are the fils is a subdivision of currency used in many Arab countries such as Iraq, Bahrain, and neighboring countries. The term is a modern retranscription of the fals, an early medieval Arab coin. The fils is the singular form in Arabic and not a plural, as its final consonant might be indicated as English to an English speaker. The plural of the fils is fullus. The latter term can also refer to a small amount of money or to money in general in the Egyptian Arabic and many other varieties of Arabic. The one Emirati dirham is equals to 100 fulus. So the history of these coins: in 1973, the coins in denominations of the 1, 5, 10, 25 fils and the 1 dirhams, the 1, 5 and the 10 fils are struck in bronze, with the higher denominations in the copper nickel or the copper nickel. The fil coins were same size and composition as the corresponding Qatar and Dubai dirham coins, so they have a similarity since they are both the under the Emirati states, because Emirati states are composed of the Qatar, Dubai, I forgot, and the new 50 fils being curved equivalent and equilateral and heptagonal shape. The value and the numbers on the coins are written in Eastern Arabic and numerals, and the text is in Arabic. The 1, 5, 10 fils coins are rarely used in the everyday life, so all the amounts are rounded up to the nearest multiples of 25 fils. The 1 fil coin is a rarity and does not circulate significantly, so it is hardly used or rarely used. And in making change, there is a risk of confusing the old 50 fil coin for the 1 dirham coin, because the coins are almost the same size, and we will go to the issue of the size later, and there is some significant to this sizes. And since 1976, the currency board of the United Arab Emirates has minted several commemorative coins celebrating different events and rulers of the United Arab Emirates, and commemorative coins of the United Arab Emirates dirham. And let's go now here to the special and coolest part of this coin review. During the 2006, 10 years ago, or yes, 12 years ago, it is became publicly known that the coins were being what we call this pirated. I don't know what's the real term, because it is under the fraud. And the like this one, the 1 dirham, this is called the 1 dirham, this one here. They have a same size of the other countries, just like the Pakistani 5 rupee coin, the Omani 50 paisa coin, and the Moroccan 1 dirham also. And they have the same size. And also, just like this is a commemorative coin from the Philippines. Here they have the same size, but this one is I think this is a newest one. Here, as you can see, this here have the same size here. You can see. So basically, this coin can be easily imitated by some other coins. It's like some another countries like the Philippines. It is publicly known that this have here a different kind of 1 peso from the Philippines. Here this is a different, but they have also a same size and width and diameter, and I think the only difference is the weight. And they have the same type of metal, the nickel steel or the same. And as you can see here, I have a lot of this Philippine peso coin, but it's not the fault of these other countries or nations that they have the same sizes of the 1 dirhams of the UAE. And it's not the fault of the people or other nationalities that by accident they try to use the other denomination or coins in the slot machines in the UAE. So as this 1 peso is only worth 8 fils. So this 1 dirham is you have to have a 1,000 of this or 100, I forgot. So the value is and the difference is very big. So they try to imitate this 1 dirham on the machine or the coin slots of the machines. Because the vending machine is every time they have the same and the same source and design, so the coins must be imitated. So the UAE decided that they will put a watermark on their what we call this, their bills or the paper bills and all the dirham notes to prevent the fraud. So basically nobody has fault in here. It is just a coincidence or a factory problem issue that their coins has been imitated, or they have a same dimensions, diameter. And the name dirham derives from the Greek word drachme, or literally meaning a handful, or some other languages like some Asian, Southeast Asian, they call it dakma. And the true Latin, due to centuries of old trade and usage of the currency, dirham have survived through the Ottoman regime, the United Arab Emirates. The dirham was introduced on May 19, 1973, and it was replaced by the Qatar and the Dubai Riyal. The Qatar and the Dubai Riyal has circulated since 1966 in all of the Emirates except Abu Dhabi. Yes, Abu Dhabi was also a part of Emirates. So Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Qatar is and Bahrain is under the UAE or the United Arab Emirates. That is why the value of this UAE coins is so very high. I think one UAE dirhams equals to or $3 or more. So you will have to have a $3 or more to get a one dirham of the UAE. And the Emirates also briefly adopted the Saudi Riyal during the transition from the Gulf rupee to the Qatar and Dubai Riyal. So during those times, long time ago, some money from Arabic speaking and Arab countries, same in the Muslim or the Islamic countries and nation, they call their money rupee, like the Indonesia rupiah, the India rupee, the Nepal rupee, also the Suriname, I think is also rupee. So let me introduce to you the coins from the UAE. There are two kinds of UAE coins, and these are the magnetic and the non-magnetic that has been produced by the UAE or the UAE fields, but most of them are non-magnetic fields. And let us check and verify if it is true by using a magnet to these coins. I have this magnet. I took it from a hard drive of a computer. So let us check this. This one is a non-magnetic, and okay, this one is a magnetic and this one is not, because it falls and it doesn't lock on. And also this one is a non-magnetic. This is a magnetic one. So these are magnetic coins. So this is a stainless steel or but the nickel one, it is not magnetic, it will fall. And so this is the small type, called the small type dirham, the newest one. And this is the oldest, the old dirham, 1 dirham. This is a non-magnetic. This is a nickel or this is a non-magnetic. This is a non-magnetic, and let us try some of these. So these four are non-magnetic 1 dirhams, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 also is a magnetic. This is a magnetic and this one is non-magnetic. So there you go. That is why we have to test it. And now Let me introduce to you the 25 United Arab Emirates Fields coin. It has a gazelle here. Gazelle. Zoom in. And this is a 25 Fields Khalifa, a magnetic, and we have here the non-magnetic. The obverse is a gazelle facing left here, and there is a date below, probably the sun gazelle or the a gazelle. The scientific term is the Gazella zabgoturuza maricha, one of the two species found in the UAE. And there is a lettering down here. The lettering is translated to 2007 1428, and the reverse, this is the denomination, the 25 up here in Arabic characters surrounded by the name outside here of the country, and the lettering, the United Arab Emirates here in the English letters here, and the translation in between is 25 fields, but it is in Arabic. We have here, and next we have here the 50 field Zaid, and this one is a minted by the Royal Mint of the British Royal Mint during the 1973, the 1982, 1984, and 1989. And the Canadian Mint minted in 1987 and 1988. And this one is a 1989 50 field Zaid. And the obverse, this one is the obverse, is the 3 OL derricks, or the 3 towers of the OL pipe, and below there is a date and numerals, but it is in Arabic, written in Arabic, and the translation is 1982 1402. And on the obverse is the country lettering, United Arab Emirates, and here is the English translation, and in the middle is the 50 fields Arabic translation of a word. And next, this is the 50 field Zaid Khalifa non-magnetics. We have here the magnetic one, and this is the non-magnetic, and this also a magnetic. This is a magnetic, and non-magnetic. This is a Khalifa, magnetic and non-magnetic, a 3 OL derricks also here, same with the other coin here. And there is a lettering, a translation down here. This is a 1988 1419, and reverse is the denomination in Arabic characters surrounded by name of the country lettering, and in English this is United Arab Emirates, and in the middle is a 50 fields, 1415 1428. So this is a 1995 2007. For those who are asking why there is a odd year, odd number, because Arab and Arabic has different they have different calendars also, because they don't use a Gregorian calendar unlike other Western and other countries. And next we have here the popular and the unpopular 1 dirham. This is the small type Khalifa, small type magnetic and non-magnetic nickel and plated steel. The obverse, this is the dala, the Arabic coffee pot here, and the letterings below, the translation is 2014-1435, and the reverse is in Arabic character surrounded by the name, the country lettering here, United Arab Emirates, and in the middle, this is 1 dirham. Same on these two, the magnetic and non-magnetic. And lastly, we have here the 1 dirham Zaid. This is a large type, and this is the oldest one. This is the newest one, the newest version. This has smaller version because this one is a 1984 or 1404. The Arabic is so late in the century. They have a 5th century void. Okay, and this is the copy pot. Also, this is a metal copper and copper nickel. The United Arab Emirates here in English and in Arabic, and in the middle there is a 1 dirham here written in Arabic, and there is a translation down here, 1988-1419, and the reverse denomination also in Arabic here. So we have here the big one, 1 dirham. This is the smallest 1 dirham, or the smaller version, the newest one. And we have here a lot of this kind here, a magnetic and non-magnetic. We have 6 magnetic, and we have a 5 non-magnetic 1 dirham coins. So that's it, our coin pick of the day. Is a UAE or United Arab Emirates dirhams and fils. This is the dirhams, and this is the fils. We have here the 25 fils and the 50 fils. This is the 50 fils, and also this one is a 50 fils. This is a 25 fils. Okay, and please don't forget to subscribe and comment to this channel on this video. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you for watching. This is Money Collector. See you on our next video. Thank you.